Walking is a wonderful habit, but for those over 60, it can silently place immense pressure on your knee joints over the passing years. Every step you take on hard pavement sends a shockwave through your body, impacting your ankles, knees, and hips with your full weight. Over time, this repetitive stress can lead to chronic pain and decreased mobility, making your daily exercise feel more like a physical burden. But what if you could share that heavy load? Imagine a way to walk that protects your joints while strengthening your entire upper body. It is finally time to change how we think about exercise in our golden years and embrace a much smarter way to move. We are not just talking about walking. We are introducing a full-body movement that ensures your long-term physical health and sustainable joint protection. Welcome to the world of Nordic walking, a scientifically proven method that transforms a simple stroll into a miracle of modern fitness. To understand the miracle, we must look at the science. These poles act as a sophisticated system for redistributing your body weight efficiently. By using your arms, you are literally taking the weight off your spine and hips, reducing joint pressure by up to 25%. This mechanical advantage allows you to move further and faster without the usual wear and tear associated with traditional forms of walking exercise. While normal walking only engages about half of your muscles, Nordic walking activates nearly 90% of your entire muscular system in unison. Your back, shoulders, and arms are all working together, turning every single step into a comprehensive workout for your heart and your core. This massive increase in muscle engagement means you are stimulating your metabolism and building functional strength throughout your whole body simultaneously. Notice how the upper body glows with energy as the poles propel you forward, creating a balanced and harmonious flow of movement. Think of it as a four-legged stability system, providing you with perfect balance and total control over every single movement you make. Because you are using more muscles, you burn nearly 50% more calories than usual. Yet strangely, you will feel much less fatigued. The support from your arms makes the effort feel easier, allowing your heart to work more efficiently without overstraining your physical capacity. It is the perfect balance of high-intensity internal benefits combined with a low-impact external experience that is gentle on your aging joints. Every plant of the pole provides a boost of energy, pushing you forward with a sense of lightness and surprising physical power. Imagine walking through a beautiful park, feeling taller and stronger with every stride as the fresh air fills your newly expanded lungs. Nordic walking naturally improves your posture, pulling your shoulders back and straightening your spine into a much healthier and more youthful alignment. As your arms swing wide, your rib cage opens up, allowing for deeper breaths and significantly better oxygen circulation throughout your entire body. This increased oxygen flow boosts your energy levels and sharpens your mind, making every walk a refreshing experience for both body and soul. Beyond the physical, there is a profound sense of stability. The poles provide a constant connection to the ground, ensuring you never stumble. Whether you are on a gravel path or a grassy slope, you can move with absolute confidence, knowing your balance is always supported. This newfound security allows you to lift your gaze from the ground and truly enjoy the beauty of the world around you once again. We can finally eliminate the fear of falling, which often holds us back from exploring nature and staying active in our later years. Feeling the sun on your face while moving gracefully through nature is one of life's greatest pleasures, now made safer and easier. Your brain also benefits from the rhythmic motion, releasing endorphins that lower stress and create a lasting sense of calm and happiness. It is a social activity that brings people together, allowing for easy conversation while you enjoy the shared benefits of healthy movement. Watch as your body transforms from a slouched position to an upright, powerful stance that radiates health, confidence, and physical vitality. The technique is simple to learn, but offers profound rewards, turning every outdoor excursion into a therapeutic session for your mental well-being. No trail is too daunting when you have the support of your poles, opening up a whole new world of adventure and exploration. This is the secret to staying young at heart, keeping your body moving in harmony with the natural rhythms of the great outdoors. Let us master the basic technique. Start by adjusting your pole straps so they fit snugly but comfortably around your palms and wrists. Your hands should form a natural grip, but remember, you do not need to squeeze the handle tightly to maintain control of the pole. The rhythm is just like natural walking. Your left arm moves forward with your right leg, and your right arm with your left leg. Plant the pole at a slight backward angle between your feet to create a forward push rather than just leaning on the ground. Keep your arms relaxed and swing them from the shoulder like a pendulum, maintaining a smooth and steady pace that feels natural. As your hand moves behind your hip, release your grip slightly and let the strap pull the pole forward for the next step. Your elbows should maintain a soft angle of about 90 degrees, ensuring that the force is generated from your powerful upper body muscles. Focus on a smooth transition from heel to toe with every step, feeling the ground beneath you as you propel yourself forward. The clicking sound of the poles becomes a rhythmic mantra, helping you find a meditative flow that makes the miles disappear effortlessly. Relaxation is key. Keep your chin up and your gaze forward, allowing your body to find its own unique and comfortable walking rhythm. Notice the difference between a stiff walk and a fluid Nordic stride, where the body moves as one cohesive and efficient machine. Every push of the pole is an investment in your strength, engaging your triceps and core with every single rhythmic motion you make. Practice on a flat surface first to build your coordination before heading out to more challenging trails or hilly park terrains. Check your pole height regularly. It should be set so that your forearm is parallel to the ground when holding the grip. Take it slow in the beginning, focusing on the quality of your movement rather than the speed or distance of your walk. With just 20 minutes of daily practice, these movements will soon become second nature, and you will feel the incredible benefits immediately. To get the most out of your workout, let us look at some common mistakes. Avoid setting your poles too high for your height. High poles force your shoulders toward your ears, creating tension in your neck and making the walk much more tiring than it should be. Do not grip the handles with all your might. A tight grip can lead to wrist pain and prevents the natural swing of the poles. Another common error is moving the same arm and leg together. If this happens, just stop, reset, and start your natural rhythm again. The golden rule for pole height is your height in centimeters multiplied by 0.68 for a perfectly ergonomic fit. Always keep your shoulders down and relaxed, allowing the power to come from your back and arms rather than your neck muscles. Make sure the poles are pushing you forward at an angle, not planted vertically like a traditional walking stick or a heavy cane. Proper footwear is essential. Choose shoes with good heel cushioning and flexible soles that allow your feet to roll naturally with each step. If your hands feel stiff, take a moment to stretch your fingers and ensure your straps are not cutting off your blood circulation. Use the rubber tips for walking on hard surfaces like asphalt, and switch to the metal spikes for better grip on soft soil. Regularly check your posture in a window or ask a friend to watch your form, ensuring you stay upright and avoid leaning forward. By avoiding these simple mistakes, you ensure that every walk is a safe, effective, and truly enjoyable experience for your entire body. Age 60 is not the end of your active life. It is the beginning of a stronger, healthier, and much more liberated version of yourself. Look around at the community of walkers who have found new joy and vitality through this simple yet revolutionary way of moving. You have the power to protect your joints, strengthen your heart, and reclaim your physical freedom, starting with your very next step. Every walk is a celebration of what your body can achieve, proving that with the right tools, there are no limits to your health. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a comment about your journey and subscribe for more expert tips on living a vibrant life. Thank you for joining us today. May you always walk with confidence and find strength and joy on every path you choose to take.